Hello, and it's time to make some bacon. Like I told you, I would be showing you a lot of techniques with bacon this week because we're right in the middle of the Butcherbox Bacon for Life challenge, not challenge, special. So I have one package of bacon, and I want to start this whole series by showing you how I like to make just simple bacon. I'll be cooking with bacon and showing you how I use it to flavor a lot of things. But first, I just want to show you the basics. Now, you can cook bacon in a frying pan. There are people who do it in the microwave, all kinds of gadgets. I like it simple, and I don't have a full-time housekeeper cleaning up my kitchen. So I take a baking sheet that has a rim, and I double foil it, okay? Because I am not going to have to wash anything. Now, if you have any little baking racks like this, it is better, but if you don't have them, it's okay. It really is fine. It's not a requirement, but it's going to improve. So I'm just going to cut this package open, and I'm going to leave a couple of slices because I have a recipe that I'm going to do Monday night. I'm going to show you how to make hot bacon dressing on a wilted spinach salad, and that is one of my favorite salads of all. It's so good. And, they sell it in high-end restaurants, that salad, for a lot of money. And it's really easy. So I'm going to show you how to eat out on the cheap. It's called doing it at home. I'm actually going to put these facing this way. So all I'm going to do is lay this bacon out on here. And I like to allow a little bit of space in between the slices because we want the heat to circulate around. This technique works really well because you just get bacon cooked exactly the way you like it. And another meal prep tip you can do, if you're planning to have, say, bacon and eggs later in the week, and, we don't have as much time on a weekday, so undercook it just slightly. And then you can warm it up in the microwave, in a covered dish, or cover it with a piece of paper towel. And you'll just bring it to the doneness that you like without overcooking that bacon. All right, let me grab a towel. There we go. All right, so you see that? I've just laid it out here on the pan. That's all I've done. I'm going to wrap up these other couple of slices and hang on to that for later. Now, all I'm going to do is put this in the oven, center rack, and then I'm going to turn the oven to 400 degrees. Now, this is different than many recipes where you preheat the oven. For my bacon, I don't preheat the oven. I stick it in the oven, in a cold oven, and let it warm up. For some reason, the bacon cooks nice and flat that way, and if you stick it in a hot oven, it curls up. And I want nice flat bacon. It just makes for a better presentation and easier to store. Looks better, right? And it will cook more consistently. So I guess your next question is going to be how long in the oven? And I'm sorry I can't give you a specific because it's going to depend on how fast your oven heats up. But I want to tell you, just watch it. I would check it at 5 minutes, but it's probably not going to be ready. It's going to be more like 10 to 13 minutes. But as you get close to 10 minutes, keep an eye on it because by that time that oven is screaming hot and you don't want to overdo the bacon. But that's all you do. Take it out and your bacon will be ready. You can use it immediately in a recipe or store it to reheat. And then the fat is nicely down here in the tray. You can save some for cooking if you'd like. Put it in a jar, keep it in the fridge. And then when you're done, just roll up the foil, throw it away. Easiest way to make bacon, and it comes out perfect every time. So I'll show you the finished results. I'll be back when it's done. And look at that. It's beautiful. Perfection. Get it over here. I can put it down. Nice. Okay. So I don't know how you like your bacon, super crispy. I have undercooked it ever so slightly because I want to be able to reheat and bring it right to the perfect crispiness that I like. So this looks absolutely perfect. If I was going to eat this bacon right now, I would have given it maybe, I don't know, 30 seconds longer. Remember, at that 400-degree oven, after about 10 minutes, you want to really keep an eye on it because it's screaming hot and it will cook fast. But in my oven, I put this in and it took about 13 minutes total. It's about what you can expect. But again, it depends on how your oven heats up. But there it is, perfect bacon. And then I have to just throw away the tin foil and I'm done. Gotta love it.